In this video we'll show you how to use the sound to easily clean the keyboard from dust, crumbs and dirt. In order to clear the keyboard using sound, we need any smartphone. Download the frequency generator application to your smartphone. Next, set the maximum volume of the speakers on our smartphone. Flip the keyboard upside down. Take a glass or metal pan the size of a phone. Put the pan on the keyboard and put the phone at maximum volume in the pan. While cleaning the keyboard, change the frequency of the sound several times. The best result is obtained at a frequency of 162 Hz. And then you can set one frequency and leave it this way for 10 to 15 minutes. At this time you can leave the room so that the sound does not annoy us. After completing the procedure, you need to turn the keyboard back and vacuum the crumbs and dirt that have spilled out of the keys.